Hello everyone, this is Umar Hassan and you are watching CSS GSA lecture series. Today in this lecture, I am going to discuss the concept of gradient of a line. One of the question in past papers was from the equation of a straight line. I will discuss that too in the next lecture. So gradient, the concept of gradient is basically the inclination of a line. This line, suppose this is a line, this is a horizontal line, so its gradient is 0. So that means gradient of a horizontal line is 0 because its inclination with respect to horizontal line is 0. Now as you will increase the inclination, so gradient will increase. The more the inclination, the more the gradient. So actually I am increasing the y value. So with increase in y and keep the value of x constant, with increase in y, gradient increases. It looks like this. This line has 0 gradient. The reason is that gradient is, we can also call gradient as a slope. Gradient is change in y divided by change in x, or simply ratio of y to x. So in this case, this point and this point, there is a change in x. Here suppose x is 1, here suppose x is 5. But what is y? Suppose y is 1 here, so y is 1 here as well. There is no change in y-axis. The level of this point and this point is same, horizontal, and there is no change in y. So when there is no change in y, that means change is 0. If there is no change in the value of y, that means this is 0. Change in y is 0 and 0 over x is 0. So the gradient of horizontal line is 0. Now talk about this one. This is also a line, a straight line, and it has a gradient. This is one of the point, this is another point. Now if I ask you to find the gradient of this line, then it should be change in y over change in x. It looks like this, change in y over change in x. From where? From here. Suppose this is 1, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1. And at this point, the value of x has changed. You have moved from here to here. Suppose value of x is 4. Y has also changed. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. So there is a movement on x-axis. You have moved from here to here in x. From here till here, there is a movement in x. So change in x is there. What about y? Yes, there is a change in y. Here y is 1, but we have increased the value of y and suppose here it is 4. So there is a change in value of y. This is the change. And that is 4 minus 1. Y minus y. 4 minus 1. Change in y. And what about change in x? X has changed from here to here. Movement along x-axis from here to here. X is 4 at this point. This is position for y. X is 4 over here. X is 1 over here. 4 minus 1. So it is 3 over 3. So 3 over 3 is 1. So the gradient, or you may call it slope, of this line is 1. Gradient is in our day-to-day life. Our roads have some gradient. We have gradient when we leave our homes. There is a slope outside our house which joins our inner floor with the road. There is gradient of railway tracks. So gradient is in our real life as well. So let us take an example from the real life, because CSS has some real life questions. So let us take an example from gradient. A question from the real life: if the gradient of the road is 2 by 15, the gradient is 2 by 15. Well, let me explain this. What is the meaning of 2 by 15? That means if you have moved this, this 15 represents change in x, this 2 represents change in y. That means if you have moved 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you have moved 15 units horizontally, you have moved 2 units vertically. 15 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. It may be feet, it may be meter, whatever it is. No, the road looks like this. Sorry, not like this. It must be like this. Okay. This is the road and here is your car. And this is 15, this is 2. So slope is 2 over 15, y over x. Y over x. The car has traveled, actually it climbed 60 meter. Now the car is here. This, suppose it has moved 60 meter, and definitely it will move along the road, and from some point it rises 60 meter. How much the distance it has covered horizontally? If the car has climbed 60 meter vertically, how much it has covered horizontally on this road? Then that is quite simple. You know, gradient is equal to y over x, change in y over change in x. So gradient is 2 over 15 given. Gradient is 2 over 15. Y mean the distance covered vertically. Y is 60 and x is the distance covered horizontally. Find it. 15 will be multiplied by 60, x will be multiplied by 2. It is 2x is equal to 15 into 60, cross multiplication. And you need to find x, that is 15 into 60 over 2, 230 times 60, 30 into 15, what is it? That is 450 meter. 450 meter, the car will move in this direction, then 60 meter it will move vertically. So this is one of the question from the real life. So I hope you have got the idea of gradient of a line. Well, this is not over, because I have to discuss the concept of equation of a straight line, a question from your past paper as well. So keep watching, subscribe the channel, comment for any more information. Thank you so much.